Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Hunting and fishing Cardo's way. So we are back again with the F4 airsoft rifle from Crossman. And like I said, Crossman always produce some fine rifles. So this one was giving me a problem the other day, but I came out this morning much calmer, no wind. So I decided to put a little work, and I got it shooting much better right now. I can let you see the grouping what I've been doing since morning. Even that one way up in the top, it was kind of intentional because I was shooting at that one. So yeah, it is doing much better, and I'm gonna just put a couple rounds down at the target so you guys can see where it's really shooting at, or better yet, how it shoots when it's on point. Let me line it up for you guys. I want to make sure you are able to see those two lids that I put up there. I think there was another one and it fell. Yeah. I'm going to go ahead and get that one real quick. All right. See how fast I did that? All right. So I'm going to let you guys see what's really going on in lifetime. Should I go for one of those Ensure cover? All right, let me go for the top one first, so you guys can see how the scope shoots when it's really on. Watch the top one. See what I'm talking about? That's a hit. Now let me go for the second one, below the top one, or below where the top one was. Not a hit. Now I'm gonna go for the low one. I was having a little bit of issue with the low ones. Now let me see how it works, because I think I fixed that problem as well. There we go. So, like I was saying, once you get that scope shot in, then it's down to the shooter. It's always down to the shooter. Going for the bullseye. Can I get it? Who said no? I heard you. I heard you. Ah, that was on me. But yes, guys, it is shooting much better. Much, much better. Let me zoom back out a little bit. Yeah, so you guys can see me a little better. So, once again, it's the .177 Crossman air rifle, the F4. It's pretty good, and I think I am ready to do some squirrel hunting. And basically, let me know what you think. Let me know which airsoft is your favorite if you use airsoft. Let me know what you like about this one, what you didn't like. So far, it gave me a hard time, but at the end, it's doing pretty great. Pretty great. So I think we're ready to go and hunt some squirrels. Oh yes. I know we are ready. And if you guys need some marksmanship principles. Yep, I'm gonna give y'all a little class on that as well. How to shoot accurately. Not to toot my own horn, but I think I'm a pretty good shot. So I think I'll be able to teach a couple things. All right, let me take a shot. You see that orange one on our left, on the lower left side? I'm gonna go for that one. Let me see if I can get it. Ooh, that was off by a mile. I think I was shaking. Let me try again. Give me another shot at it, please. Just one more shot at it. I'm going for one. Where is it? Yeah, that one down at the bottom by itself. That's the one I'm going for right now. Ooh, 2 shots. Still shaking. Don't make me look bad. Don't make me look bad. I've been doing great since morning. What you trying to do? Make me look bad? What? What? See that, guys? The scope is on, but now the shooter is off. I mean, you have to give and take. I've been out here all morning. It's getting a little bit warm. So, I think I'm gonna quit while I'm ahead. There we go. I told you I was just not shooting properly. So you see, I hit it right there on the top. I didn't get to hit it in the center, but I hit it. Yeah, I did. So, the next video, guys, will definitely, give me a second. The next video will definitely be hunting some squirrels with this rifle here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me know in the comment section if y'all need some marksmanship tips, some marksmanship, do's and don'ts. And maybe it will help you to better, you know what? I'm gonna give you that video. Look out for that video. I'm not sure when, but look out for that video. Right now, I'm gonna go inside and clean this baby up and get ready for some squirrels. I think I'm gonna do some squirrel hunting tomorrow. So I'll put that video together for you guys, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Remember to share, hit the like, and always leave your comment.